Hello, everybody, and you're watching Sludge Animations. And today we're going to be talking about my favorite animals. So let's get into it. So, you're doing a good job on the 100 subs. Keep it up. But anyway, let's get into it. My first favorite animal is a porcupine. I love porcupines. They're one of my favorite animals. Even though they're kind of dangerous, if you pick one up, you'll probably get squilted or stabbed. I still love them. I mean, look at this dude. Look at you, little dog. Ow! You cannot escape us. We will destroy humanity and kill the entire universe. But porcupines are one of the greatest animals. So my second favorite animal are dogs. I do not like cats. I'm not a cat person. I do have a cat. I like that cat, but I don't like any other cats. The rest are evil. But this is my dog, Daisy. I never showed you a picture of her, so here's a picture of her. But Daisy is the most trustworthy and fun dog ever, and she's cross-eyed. That's why I love dogs. They're super trustworthy and they're like humans. But my second favorite animal is walruses. What is there not to love about walruses? What? Look at this. What is there not to love? There's nothing. This is the greatest thing in the universe, is a walrus. Without walruses, humans would be nothing. But my next favorite animal is frogs. Frogs are nice because I just like them. I mean, they're very, me and my mom captured a frog once, and it started making weird, guinea pig noises almost. It started to go, rawr, 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 rawr. So we left it was in a cup, and we put it back in the wild. So it was kind of weird. It was a guinea pig frog, I guess. A weird guinea pig frog. Also, spiders. Spiders are my next favorite animal. Most people will scream if they see a spider, but not me. If you show a spider to somebody, they'll scream in terror. But not me. I like them. I love spiders. I think they're one of the coolest animals in the entire world. And my next favorite animal is a toad. Toads, I don't know how to draw a toad. It's basically the same thing as a frog, so I'm just drawing so it's basically just a frog. But I love toads. Toads are the essence of good. Without toads, good is nothing. Nothing. There's nothing good without a toad. And I want to get a colony of toads and raise them until they're old. And then I'll release them in the wild when they're old, really old. Actually, no, I won't, because if they were growing up in a cage their whole life, then they would probably die in the wild. But anyway, my second favorite animal is not second. I haven't been counting, but my next favorite animal is a tiger. A lion. I love lions. I mean, they're dangerous and they will make you explode, because I can't say the real word. Can I? Wait, I can say die. Yeah, you will die if you saw a lion. But I still like them. They're cool. But anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed.